Hey everyone, Newman here with 910. Today we have the FX Panthera. It's going to be a quick video on how to remove the chassis system. You may be wanting to remove the chassis to install the Sabre Tactical aftermarket chassis, to access the valve housing possibly. And there's also a place underneath this chassis, a plug that you can take out in order to add another bottle to it, such as you see on the Hunter Compact version or the Hunter version of the Panthera. We're going to jump right to it. Just to show real fast, the rifle is degassed. There's no bottle. And, well, best way to show it, there's no gas on the gauges there. There's no air. So we're good to go. So in order to remove the chassis, we're going to use two tools today. The first one is 4mm. And make sure it is a ball end. The next one is a 3mm. And it doesn't matter whether you have a ball end or not, it can be straight. Alright, so like I said, for the 4mm, it's going to be a little difficult to show. But right there, there's a screw. You may see it right here. But you're going to have to come at it from the side, like so, with the ball end. And it's going to be really tight. So you may be careful, you may end up scratching the chassis a little bit right here, but that's nothing to worry about. Nothing a little Sharpie can't cover up. As you can see there, the screw only comes out about halfway, and that is actually fully loose. You can see there, but you don't have to pull it out. You gotta come to the other side. There's another screw. Alright, so now that screws out. See there, we can line it up. So both those screws are loose, and we're just going to leave them right in there. And now we're done with the 4mm. Next, we got the 3mm. And that's going to be the barricade stop screws. So you don't have to worry about these two screws. It's these two in here. The ones that are facing towards the action, from the barricade stop to the action. Those are the two that you're going to loosen with a 3mm. And these come out fairly easy. So that one's already out. And whenever you do unthread these out, they will be fully out. You may be able to hang on by a thread inside the barricade stop. But don't be afraid, you will have loose screws. And then the second one, like I said, they will be tight. And there's a quick unthread. And there you go, it's loose now. So we're going to set the tool down. Grab the chassis. And it's kind of clamped on the action here on each side. So we're just going to take it, wiggle it off, and there it goes. And here you have it. Here's the chassis with it off. This is the chassis support block. This is the barricade stop. See your two screws there, and the two screws that were there. The bridge comes off with it. As you can see from here, we didn't affect anything pressure-wise. It's just always safe to be depressurized. But that right here is your valve housing. That's the valve pin sticking out. Whenever the gun's degassed, that is normal for it to be sticking out. That is a port plug right there. It's just from the machining process of the action. But that's a plug. There's another plug right here. Not really sure what this one's for yet, but I'm sure we'll find out with sometime from FX. I'm sure there'll be something there. Who knows? And then there's this plug. This is the plug that you can remove to add a dual bottle adapter or a second bottle adapter, or maybe just a front bottle and put a folding stock on the rear, or whatever you want to do. So that's the option right there. That's the plug that you take out to add a bottle. So there you have it. There's the chassis removal. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below or shoot me an email. That's in the description down below, as well as all my social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and again, my website. Go check that out. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. Happy shooting.